Namaskar and welcome to Yoga Diaries. Today we will do 7 asanas and 1 pranayam which are very easy to do and are perfect to start your yoga practice with. So get on the mat and start. First we will do downward facing dog. Press your hands and feet flat on mat. Lift your hip up, bringing your body into the shape of A. Draw your chest toward your thighs. Keep your spine straight. This will give a nice stretch to your shoulders, hamstring and spine. But person with high BP and pregnant women should avoid this asana. Next one is Chakravakasana or cat cow pose. Come into box position. Bring your hands and thighs perpendicular to the floor. Tuck your toes. Then inhale, arc your back, drop your belly down. Lift your head and hip upward. While exhaling, round your spine up toward the ceiling. Tuck your chin toward your chest and drop your head. Try to gaze your navel. This is an amazing pose which will make your spine flexible, will reduce back pain and improve your body posture. This is a calming pose, so you can repeat it 20 to 30 times. Next is Shupta Padangushtha Asana. Lie on your back. Inhale, raise your left leg straight up and hold your calf muscle with your hands and exhale. Give your leg a nice and deep stretch. You can also hold your toes with your hands if you are comfortable in doing so. You can hold this posture for 20 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Then exhale and release your leg. Repeat the same with other leg. It is a very nice hip opening pose. It relieves arthritis pain in hips and knees. It also stretches hamstrings, calf muscle and inner thighs. But you should avoid this asana if you have any injury at shoulders or hamstring. Next we will do Pavan Mukta Asana. Lie on your back, inhale and bend your left knee. Hold it with your hands and draw towards your chest. Grab your knee properly, then lift your head up. Try to touch your knee with your forehead. You can hold this posture for 20 to 30 seconds. Keep breathing normally. Then exhale, rest your head on mat and release your leg. Now repeat the same with other leg also. This asana will strengthen your abdominal muscles, cures constipation and acidity, and improves digestion. This also releases trapped gases. And we all will agree that a happy stomach means a healthy body. You must include this asana in your everyday yoga practice. Now we will repeat the same with our both legs. Hold your knees with your hands, draw toward your chest and again inhale, lift your head and try to touch your knee with your forehead. On exhale, slowly release the posture. The next is Matsyasana or fish pose. Lie on your back, place your palm down below your hips. Inhale and press your forearms and elbows against the floor. Stretch your legs outward and lift your torso and head up. And place your crown on the mat. Lift your chest, arc your upper back and stay here for 15 to 30 seconds. This will increase the lungs capacity and helps in cure asthma and bronchitis. This also increase blood supply to brain. But do not do this if you have high or low BP and migraine. Exhale and lower your torso and head to the floor and relax. Next is Janu Sirshasana. or head to knee pose. Sit on the floor with your legs straight in front of you. Inhale, bend your right knee, resting your right foot sole against your left inner thigh. Exhale, stretch your hands up, create space in your spine, and while inhaling, bend forward. Try to grab your extended foot with your hands and rest your head on the knee. It's okay if you find it difficult to touch your knee with your head. Do not push yourself. Rest here for 15 to 20 seconds. Keep breathing smoothly. Then slowly inhale, lift your head and your torso up. Exhale, release your leg, and now repeat the same with other leg. This asana will stretches the spine, shoulders and hamstring. It also stimulates the liver and kidneys. It improves digestion, control high blood pressure and strengthen the back muscle. It is a very nice seated forward bending pose. Now inhale, raise your head and torso upward, and while exhaling, release the posture. The next one is my personal favorite, Bandha Konasana or the butterfly pose. Sit straight, bend your knees, pull your heels toward your pelvis and press the sole of your feet together. And keep flicking your knees like the wings of a butterfly. Keep breathing smoothly. This is a happy pose which stimulates bladder, kidney and heart and improves general circulation. It also stretches inner thigh and knees, help in relieving mild depression and anxiety. Also controls high blood pressure. While exhaling, lean your torso forward between the knees, bend your elbows and try to rest your head on the floor. Relax and keep breathing deeply. Then inhale, raise your head, exhale, release the posture. The last one is Brahmari Pranayam, which I do every day at the end of my yoga practice. Sit in a comfortable posture with your spine straight. Place your thumbs on your ear cartilage and your fingers on your eyes. Take a deep breath with your nostrils, and as you breathe out, make a loud humming sound like a bee in your throat. You will feel a vibration of your own sound in your mind. Focus on that. You can repeat this 20 to 30 times. It will restore your energy and gives instant relief from tension and anxiety. It will soothe the nerves and effective for those suffering from hypertension. It will help to cure migraine, reduce blood pressure and improve concentration and memory. But make sure to do this with empty stomach. If you just had your meal, then wait for 3 to 4 hours. All of these are the easy variation of asanas. In the next session, we will try some more asanas. Till then, stay fit, keep practicing and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section which asana you like the most. Thanks for watching and see you soon.